In this video, we'll be sharing with you some common pitfalls that people often fall into when it comes to managing their money and how you can avoid them in the coming year. Tip 1. Don't overspend on credit. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of using credit cards and racking up rewards points, but it's important to remember that those rewards come with a cost. If you're not paying off your credit card balance in full each month, you'll be paying interest on your purchases, which can quickly add up. Be mindful of your spending and only charge what you can afford to pay off each month. Tip 2. Don't take on too much debt. While a little bit of debt can be a good thing, having too much can be a burden. If you're considering taking on a large debt, like a mortgage or a car loan, make sure you can afford the monthly payments. If you're struggling to make your payments, it may be worth considering a debt consolidation loan or working with a financial advisor to come up with a plan to pay off your debts. Tip 3. Don't neglect your savings. It's important to have a savings cushion for unexpected expenses and financial emergencies. Make sure to set aside a portion of your income each month for your savings and try to avoid dipping into it unless it's absolutely necessary. Tip 4. Don't ignore your retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for your retirement, and the earlier you start, the more time you have to grow your savings. Consider speaking with a financial advisor to come up with a retirement plan that works for you. Tip 5. Don't neglect your insurance coverage. Insurance is there to protect you and your assets in case of unexpected events, like a car accident or a natural disaster. Make sure you have the appropriate insurance coverage for your needs, and don't neglect to update your policy as your circumstances change. Tip 6. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're negotiating a salary at work or the price of a big purchase, it's important to be confident and speak up for what you're worth. Don't be afraid to negotiate and ask for what you deserve. Tip 7. Don't ignore your credit score. Your credit score is a crucial factor in your financial health, and it can impact your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even rent an apartment. Make sure to pay your bills on time and check your credit report regularly to ensure that everything is accurate. Tip 8. Don't neglect your financial education. It's important to stay up to date on personal finance and investing. So make sure to take the time to educate yourself and learn about different financial products and strategies. Tip 9. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling with your finances, don't be afraid to reach out to a financial advisor or a trusted friend or family member for help. There are also many resources available online and through nonprofit organizations that can offer guidance and support. Tip 8. Don't let financial stress consume you. Managing your money can be stressful, but it's important to remember to take care of your mental and emotional health as well. Make sure to set aside time for relaxation and seek help if you're feeling overwhelmed. We hope these tips have been helpful in avoiding costly money mistakes in 2023. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and make a plan for a more secure financial future. Thanks for watching.